Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about assignment operators in my Python. Assignment operators are used to assign value to the variable. Operators are used to perform operations on values and variables. These are the special symbols that carry out arithmetic, logical, bitwise computation. The value, the operators on is known as a operand. In Python, there are different types of assignment operators that are equal assignment operator. So the equal assignment value of the right side of the expression to the left side operand. So this is the right side of the expression. This is the left side operand. So the assignment operator is used to assign right side of the expression to left side operand. So plus equal to is the addend operator. So the addend operator is used for add the right side operand with the left side operand, and its resultant value is assigned to the left operand. So minus equal to, that is a subtract n. So the subtract n operator is used to subtract right side operand from the left operand, and its resultant value is assigned to the left operand. And next assignment operator is star plus, that is multiply end. This multiply end operator is used to multiply right side operand with left operand, and its resultant value is assigned to the left operand. The next one is division equal to. So the division equal to is the divide end. It is used for divide the left operand with right operand, and its resultant value is assigned to left operand. Percentage equal. So percentage equal is the modulus end. This modulus end operator is used for takes the modulus using the left operand and right operand and assign the resultant value to the left operand. And floor division end, so which is used for divide the left operand with the right operand and then assign the value to the left operand. So float division returns the float value of the coefficient, and floor division returns integer coefficient value. Star equal, that is exponent end, which is used for to calculate exponent value using operands and assign the value to the operand. So these are the different types of assignment operators in Python. So for example, assignment operators, assignment operators. So first I am considering the two values. The variable a is assigned to the 5 and variable b is assigned to 3. Addend operand a plus equal to b. So now here a plus equal to b mean a is equal to a plus b. A value is 5, b value is 3. So a is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. So using the print function, print of a is equal to resultant value is 8. Now a value is 8. Next, subtract end operator. Subtract end operator. A minus equal to b. Say minus equal to b mean the expression is a is equal to a minus b. Now what is the a value? Initially I am considering a is equal to 5. Here a is a plus equal to b. The variable a is stored in value 8. So now value of the a is 8. A is equal to a minus b. 8 minus 3, 5. So using the print function, print of a, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Next, multiply end a star equal to b. So a star equal to b mean a is equal to a into b. Now the a value is stored in 8, b value is 3. So 5 into 3 is 15 using the print function. So print of a is 15. And a is equal to float division value. A is equal to a slash equal to b. A slash equal to b mean a is equal to a by b. Now a value is 15. So 15 by 3. So coefficient value is 5. The coefficient value is 5. It returns float value. So print of a 5.0 and a is equal to 15. Uh, double slash equal to a double slash equal to b. It returns integer float value. So print of a. So these are different types of assignment operator. Example